Hello buddy, I'm thrilled to have the chance to chat about dictionaries in Python. They're such a powerful part of the language's toolkit that you just can't beat when it comes to managing key-value pairs. Picture this, a dictionary as your personal organizer, where you can always find exactly what you need, because each piece of info you want to access is tagged with a unique key. So, today, I'll show you how adding key-value pairs to a dictionary can simplify storing and retrieving data like crazy. Now, let's set the stage with a simple dictionary, shall we? Imagine you are working on a project, maybe a simple blogging platform, where each blog post is represented by a dictionary with keys like title, author, date, and content. Python post is equal to title, Python dictionaries, author, Jane Doe, date, 1st April 2023, content, today, I shall discuss the wonders of Python dictionaries, pretty straightforward, right? Now, what if you want to add a new post detail or update an existing one? The beauty of Python dictionaries comes into play here. Firstly, let's say you want to add a detail, such as the blog's category. You just take the post, add a new key-value pair to it, and voila, it's as easy as Python post is equal to technology, but here's where it gets fun. This operation doesn't modify the dictionary, instead, it returns none. The changes will only take effect if we reassign the dictionary with this new value. Python post is equal to key, value for key, value in post.items if value is not none, but we are not done yet. Imagine if the title of a post was mistyped or it has been updated. Python dictionaries make correction a breeze. Python post is equal to Python dictionaries, and IT Fresher's Guide again, changes only become permanent when we reassign our dictionary. Python post is equal to key, new underscore value for key, new underscore value in post.items if new underscore value is not none. Now, updating the content without changing other details would take like this. Python post is equal to Python dictionaries hold a central place in storing key-value pairs. It's all about the key, the thing that identifies what's being stored, right? Let's say that our blog post is inaccurately tagged as entertainment instead of technology. Mistake alert. Luckily, Python lets us fix that without any fuss. Python post is equal to technology. Now, remember, the key is like the golden thread that holds data together in a Python dictionary. And just like magic tricks, you are not just changing data, you are doing it all with amazing speed. Now, here's where things get interesting. Python dictionaries are dynamic, making them versatile for changing data needs. As an IT fresher, this is a skill that will save you time and effort down the line. Imagine handling a blog post collection, or even a social media feed. You need to add, remove, and update constantly. Dictionaries can handle this all smoothly. Furthermore, adding to dictionaries using loops becomes an art form. Suppose we want to add multiple blog post details to our dictionary collection. We can do so using a for loop. Python blog underscore posts is equal to for post in blog underscore posts. Post is equal to technology. Using just a loop, you've effectively categorized all posts without any extra coding effort. See the efficiency, right? So, remember this next time you feel lost in adding, removing, or updating key-value pairs. Python dictionaries are there to make your life easier as a budding IT professional. As you grow and learn, this understanding will help you handle massive data efficiently and effectively. Keep coding and exploring the vast Python landscape. It's incredibly rewarding, and dictionaries will be your trusted companions along the way. And remember, I'm always here to guide you on Python journeys. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more wisdom on Python and beyond. Until next time.